What is syntax? Syntax. Syntax is an important thing in programming languages, and it's like grammar in English. You have to know the grammar to use English correctly. Let's see how. So, for example, I'm gonna give you a syntax example to see how it goes. Here is just a comment. So, syntax is like grammar in English, and all programming languages have that. So, the example of the syntax will be for loop. So, the syntax is for val means value in range parentheses 5 colon. Then print val or value. And then we will try that on terminal. But first we need to save the file and then try it on terminal. As you can see here, the for loop works well and start counting from 0 to 4. And we will learn more about this for loop in future lectures. Thanks for watching.